10 fun summer activities to try out. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about 10 different things to do this summer. Has your summer started off like this? Scrolling through your phone and laying around all day? Eating junk food and feeling tired? Well, this video will be all you need to make this summer memorable and fun. 1. Crochet cute items. Crochet cute items like keychains, plushies, and bags. Crocheting is a cute hobby and a fun way to make gifts for friends. It's also very calming and rewarding. 2. Have a solo picnic. You can have a solo picnic at either a beach or even in your own backyard. Having a solo picnic is a cute way to spend your time alone without scrolling on your phone all day. 3. Painting on rocks. A few ideas for painting on rocks are nature, a character, or a beach. Painting on rocks is a very quick and simple activity that can be a solo or group activity. 4. Scrap journaling. Scrap journaling is also a simple activity to try out that involves lots of creativity. A few ideas for scrap journaling are anime, nature, or a vision board. 5. Solo cafe date. Going on a solo date to a cafe is a fun way to treat yourself. It also gives you the chance to take cute pictures like the following examples. 6. Host a slumber party. Invite a bunch of friends and host a slumber party. Bring lots of snacks and stay up late watching a movie. Add a special touch to the fun-filled night by choosing a theme for the party, like one of the following examples. 7. Bake with friends. Baking with your friends can be a very fun and rewarding way to create delicious food. When baking, you can make either cookies, cupcakes, or cake. 8. Host a karaoke night. Take a couple of friends on a fun karaoke night to mix up this summer and get out of your comfort zone. 9. Go see a movie. Going to the movies is a very fun way to spend the night with your friends or family. Spend the night eating lots of candy and popcorn and talking about the movie. 10. Go shopping with friends. Going shopping with friends is a fun way to treat yourself and enjoy the day with friends or family.